So today we have a speaker of Edifier, the MP100 Plus. So the speaker looks a lot similar to the clip lineup from JBL, for example, or the Trove Smart Splash lineup. So the speaker is also the similar price. So the packaging is pretty cool. Also manual, of course. You underneath have the cable stuff and also a cable management thing. That's pretty handy. So here's the speaker. So the speaker has been built, I would say, pretty solid. And something I did notice with the speaker is that it's maybe not like the most high quality material, but hey, at least it looks like you can even like remove the cover now without tools, but no, they attach it pretty well. So on the rear you have some rubber feet, the volume buttons, power on and a Bluetooth button. I hope we have USB Type-C. Yeah, there it is. No auxiliary, but at least it has a USB Type-C. It is waterproof speaker. And yeah, it looks pretty cool. So power on now and connect to my phone so we can see how this audio is performing.
That's just karma. Better take that. Call it payback. Don't say I didn't warn ya. Stay mad, I know you wanna. This might hurt, but that's just karma. That's just karma. Go and play the part, play the victim. Throw a pity party with your demons. Blaming everybody and you're screaming. But I'm the one bleeding. You're the one that's
Right now, man, active. Start with the game like a bandit. Me bring the flame like a matches. That's me now. Without the slackness, active style and pattern, that's how man there. Active. One live life massive. Talking up and off the brandish. But show down all the world has it. When I start the bumper clad mash pit. When we step out, all place get active. Now, Clark's on the east side, bad bitch on each side. Big splits chilling on the beach side. Run things where you feel like. Kid big, have a carve out of east side.
So this Edifier speaker performs pretty well. I'm actually kind of happy with the sound because for this kind of small compact speaker, the bass performance is punchy. It's not deep, of course, but it has some bass performance. The treble is pretty neutral, so it's not like very harsh or anything. And yeah, vocal things, you do hear them. So really for Edifier and also for how small this speaker is, it's a pretty solid performer. And I would definitely say it's better than the JBL Clip, because the JBL Clip, I even didn't like it in comparison to the JBL Go lineup. So yeah, it's a pretty solid performer, especially for how low the price is these days. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you guys in the next one.